In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a large circular bed, pool, or hot tub. So if you like a hot tub, a pool, or a large circular bed, you're going to make a large but thin oval. So what I like to do is kind of make the oval shape in the air before I lay my pencil down, just so I get a good idea of the size that I'd like, and my hand gets used to making the shape that I want. Once I have a pretty good idea of where I'm going to put the object, then I lay down my pencil. You can then take your pencil and darken up that shape. Remember, anytime you overlap that back wall, you should erase. So whether you're making a pool, a hot tub, or a bed, you're going to go through the same steps. On the very edge of your oval, you're going to draw a line that goes straight down. For a bed, I would have something on the shorter side, like this, and then you would just connect these two with a curved line. And then you'd have a nice short bed, and you could add pillows and things to it. For a hot tub or a pool, it's going to be a little bit taller. Okay, and then a nice curved line connecting them. Now, if this was a bed and there was a cover that, a blanket was covering it, we wouldn't have to draw the inside of it, but for a pool or a hot tub, you're going to have to draw the water. And the water is going to kind of take the shape, but you're only going to be able to see the inside of the top wall. So you're going to draw kind of a curve going around, and it doesn't have to be perfect because the water might have some movement to it. And that's going to be around the top. You also might see just a touch of the bottom of your pool or hot tub. So imagine that this was an oval down here. I might see just a touch of the inside. Now, a lot of pools have railings around the edges, so I could make a line of a railing going around. I could put lights or jets. I could draw an inner tube. And the inner tube is going to have the same idea where I draw an oval and then two lines. But the inner tube is going to be sinking in the water a little bit, so I'll just draw the water. I won't be able to see the whole thing. In order to get into my pool, I'm going to want some type of step stool or a ladder. So if I wanted a ladder to be on this side so that I could climb up and go into the pool, all you do is draw a diagonal line, kind of going down, double it up, draw another one behind it, and then connect those. You could have the handle come up, and there could be a platform on top, handle come up, and that could be where you sit to go into the pool. I'm going to erase what I've overlapped. I'm going to draw part of that again. So here's a little platform, just a parallelogram with a rectangle on the bottom. And then we've got the handles of the pool. And there you have it, a pool or a hot tub. Some towels hanging up. Maybe a diving board on this top wall. Or maybe I'll have the diving board over here. For the diving board, I'm just gonna draw a big, nice trapezoid. And I'm gonna put a small rectangle on the front. A little railing in the front, a little railing in the back. Maybe your ladder is right here. And then we just connect those with diagonal lines. And now we've got a nice diving board off to the side. Maybe you can either jump into the pool, or you can have a bed up here that you could jump right into. And draw another trapezoid. This is going to be a floating bed. Trapezoid with a rectangle on front. And make some square shapes for pillows. Yes. Little motion lines. And now we can either jump into bed or jump into the pool. Put a blanket on here. Erase some of these lines a little bit. And there we go.